so cool. I really like this area. I'm not gonna have enough time really to do any kind of exploration. I hear somebody yelling. Must be from the people from the car that I parked next to. Actually, maybe I'm going to move my car because I want to cook dinner here. Oh, I'm really excited. I love discovering new places. Okay, let's go. Man, this place is busy. I'm just putting my boots on, and that one car that was already here, 4 guys were fishing and they left and made a big noise and hoo-hawed it up and rumbled out of the parking lot just as somebody else was coming in. But they didn't stay long. They just parked for a minute and they're leaving now. So looks like I've got the whole place to myself. This is cool. All right, let's do this. Really wondering why I'm so excited about checking out a new place, especially having it all to myself. Well, number one, I hate congestion. It's too busy. And number 2, I am so refreshed by nature. I love it. I get excited when I can see new things. And being alone, out in the bush, I'm happy. It is a hunting area, and there is no camping. Well, this is a fish stocking project. Looks like a beaver dam. Water is crystal clear. This is so beautiful. You can tell the water is really high. Or a fur tree isn't gonna survive. So sad. Lovely memorial, though. This is so pretty here. Already I feel happy. Look at the color of this green. This is amazing. And look how blue the sky and the water is. Let's keep going, shall we? Rather odd to have a tree there, but I guess it's because the water levels are so high right now from the spring runoff. There's some coltsfoot. Somebody lost a bobber. Cool. First catch of the season. And I don't even have my fishing license. But I'm keeping that. So it's been a while since I've been fishing. I've actually let my license expire. So I'm gonna have to renew it for this year because I pick up fishing lures all the time. Anyway, enough about me. You want to see this area, not me. Canada geese honking at each other. Apparently there's supposed to be eagles in this area as well. I cannot get over how clear the water is. Look at that. It's crystal clear. It's so pretty. Look at all the cedar. Fortunately, it gets really wet. Hang on a sec, I'll show you. I don't know how much further I'm going to be able to go on this trail. It's really wet. That's rather strange. I wonder what that is. Oh, I would love to have walked around this lake. Okay, well, this is not the end of exploring because we still have the creek to explore. Look at that behind me. Holy crap. That is so gorgeous. And that sun. Oh my God, the sun. Yeah, I've been cut short. My phone died. So now I'm sitting in the car waiting for my phone to charge. But this is a beautiful, beautiful little spot in the middle of, I can't say nowhere. I'm going to do some cooking. You can't have a campfire, but there's nothing that says you can't have your stove. And it's way too beautiful to even think of leaving this place right now. Oh yeah, I picked up the fishing lure. I've got it stuck in the bobber so I wouldn't stick myself. Yeah, I found this cool fishing lure. Yeah, I just got him stuck in the top of the bobber because I don't want to get a fishing hook in my finger. I mean, he's got the lead and everything on there, and it's a spinner. And we got some green goobers. Like to stick. There's the lead on there and everything. But yeah, so I'm just waiting for my camera to get some battery power because it died. I should have known. I did have it plugged in on the way here, but it was like 20 minutes, so it's not like it was a long, long drive. I saw an eagle while I was cooking dinner. It was a juvenile, but I saw an eagle. Yay! I don't know why I get so excited at seeing an eagle. They're abundant around here. And I did indeed have a very nice meal. I had some Alfredo type noodles and some of these teeny tiny little tomatoes. I think they're called millions. They're smaller than a cherry tomato, so they're just like a bite, but they're very juicy and very, very sweet. And that was supper, but it was a hot meal.